Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to get perfect selection of hair in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's create it. And, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel, for more tutorial and fun tips. Select any subject selection tool, then choose any above option to mask out the subject. I am selecting Select and Mask. And please, if you are using older version of Photoshop, then just delete it. Install 2018 to 2022, I am using 2022. Because in every update Photoshop had something which helps creators. So, go with updates. You can see there are halos around hairs. Don't worry, we can easily fix this. Usually you can do it with hair refining brush, but there is a smart button over there, that is hair refining. And the result after using it is amazing. Hair selection on plain background is simple. But, what if the subject is in front of trees? So, there is no shortcut, you have to select the subject manually, means using pen tool, and then follow the same process. I hope in future AI becomes more precise, for selecting and masking.
Thank you.